Josh. I'll help you how to draw angles. So first, I'll teach you how to draw positive angles. Whenever you draw an angle, you always draw the two lines, and this will always be your initial side. For example, if we're drawing a 60-degree angle, you always start from the initial side and you approximate 60 degrees, which will almost be here. This is because this will always be your 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. After you draw the angle, you draw the arrow to indicate that you have drawn your 60-degree angle.
Oh, now I get it. Thank you. May. I have to prepare for an algebra test. Can you help me?
Yeah, what is it, Josh?
What the heck are coterminal angles? Can you teach me?
Angles are called coterminal when their terminal sides coincide. It can be found by adding or subtracting 360 degrees.
The first example we're going to work with is negative 45 degree angles. So negative 45 plus 360 will equal 315 degrees. And negative 45 degrees minus 360 degrees will equal negative 405 degrees. Always start on this side of the graph, which is called the initial side. First, we will draw the 315 degree angle. Since 315 is a positive angle, you will go this way. You will want to end right here and leave a 45 degree mark right there. And now you will label your circle with an arrow. This indicates 315 degrees. Now we'll draw negative 405 degrees. Since it is a negative angle, it'll go this way. Now we will make a mark right there to indicate negative 405 degrees because it'll leave a remaining space of 45 degrees. So we start on our initial side and we make a 360 degree mark, and then we're going to go another 45 degrees and end right there to indicate that this is a negative 405 degree angle. It'll end up on the same line as the 315 degree angle because they are coterminal angles.
Jena. I need to study for an algebra test and I need your help.
Okay, sure. What do you need help on?
I need to know how to convert radians to degrees and degrees to radians.
Oh, okay, I'll show you.
Yay!
So for the first example, we're going to use 125 degrees. So for this one, we're going to do 125, and because it's a degree, we're going to multiply it by pi radians over 180. So these are both degrees, they cancel, and this would simplify to 25 pi over 36. So 25 over 36 radians equals 125 degrees.
Josh. I need to learn one more thing for the algebra test, and I don't trust anyone except for you to teach it. Can you help me? Sure, I'll teach you. So we're going to learn about area and arc length. So first of all, we need to know the two equations for arc length and area. So arc length is S equals R central angle, or theta, and area, A, equals half times radius squared times central angle, which is also theta. And remember that theta, or the central angle, always has to be in the radian form, not the degree form. So first problem, if we were given that radius equals to 2 and theta equals pi over 60, then we could solve by just plugging it into the equations. So for arc length, S equals 2 times pi 60. And using your calculator, you can find out that S is approximately 0.16. And for area, A equals half r squared, which is 4, times theta, which is pi over 60. So that, if you use a calculator, is approximately 0.24. Oh, I get it now. Thanks, Josh. You're the best. I love you, man.
Josh, wake up. What are you doing here? We have an algebra test in like 5 minutes.
Come on, Josh, let's go.
Oh, I had this weird dream I was a ninja and you guys were like teaching me math.
What? Come on, let's go, Josh.